Hi, and welcome to your new school year. I know you've had a long day of PD, so I'm going to try to make this short. For those of you who don't know, I'm Sarah Hood, the integration person here for the consortium. So my job is to make you comfortable with using technology in the classroom. This year we're going to try to shake things up a little bit. Last year I felt like we maybe could have utilized ourselves a little bit differently, and I want to try to make some changes. Doing that, we are going to go online and blended learning for you. What does this mean for you? Well, instead of staying after school or staying for a long day of professional development with technology um, during a school day, you can do it on your time. So you'll be asked to do 3 to 4 different sessions during the school year. They should take 30 minutes to 60 minutes to complete, and I will be your resource through the entire time. So if you have any questions, any concerns, I can meet with you in person, or we can simply email or chat back and forth. I'm really hoping that this will shake up the way we're doing it and maybe make me a little bit more approachable to some of you that have been a little freaked out to see my face. So here we are, and I'll kind of introduce it in the next little step a bit more. So how is all of this going to work? Well, here's our plan. Step 1 will be to create your SMART goals for technology. This should be part of your SMART goals plan. For some schools, each teacher and I will meet one-on-one to help you formulate your goals. In other schools, you will work on them with your principal. Either way, I'm here to help you out. I will help you reach those goals. You will select an online PD course that meets your needs anytime. So if you're a morning person and want to get up early on a Saturday morning and knock it out, go for it. If you like to stay up late at night, go for it. Or any time of the day works for you, works for me, because this is your PD anytime. We are asking that each teacher do 3 to 4 sessions this year. It should be easy. Each class will only be 30 to 60 minutes to complete. At the end, we want to see how you're integrating it into your classroom. Show us your work. It'll be amazing to see how much we can grow in just 1 year. I want to give everyone a quick introduction to the Google Classroom. I know many of you have already used it inside of your classes, but just as many, if not more, haven't yet used it. At the top here, you'll notice that it has the class name, and here is the teacher. On the left side is a list of all of your current classrooms, and you can see a calendar of due dates or items that are active. Here you'll see the class code. This is a way that you can add students to join. And this is an item that shows when things are due. For our sake, we won't use due dates because many people will be doing the activities at different times. If you notice here, the very first item I have in the stream is a question. Welcome to the class. Did you have any problems entering? When it is your time, you would simply type in a comment here and then click post. It would post any problems or good things that happened that you decided to write for that post. The second post shows some of the really incredible capabilities of Google Classroom. It is now integrated into a lot of other blended tools that we can begin to use. So this particular assignment you can see connects to Edpuzzles. All of that will happen seamlessly. So a few of our lessons may have items that utilize some of those things so that you begin to get a feel of what that looks like. Lastly, there might be something as simple as just watch a video and try to reproduce what's there. Google Classroom is a great resource, and I don't want anybody to be intimidated by it. If you have any questions, make sure that you are posting questions or simply emailing questions. And don't forget, I am always available to work with you in person on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The first time that you want to introduce something new to your classroom, I'm always there to be an extra set of hands. It definitely helps. I've already had a few people take me up on it this year. I hope this gives you a quick rundown of what the classroom looks like. There are a couple of things we should remember. 1, I will be with you every step of the way. Email, text, Hangouts, or in person, I am there with you. Advanced Ed isn't concerned about what the teacher is doing with technology. It's all about the kids. So let's get the kids utilizing all of these great new tools. Together, we will make it happen. Do you have any questions? Email me at sahood@archomaha.org. I hope everybody has a great rest of the weekend.